Hello friends, welcome to our channel Excel Tricks. Here we will learn Excel formulas from basic to advanced with a simple example. Let's get started. For this tutorial, we will use Excel tool sheet provided by Microsoft. It's a great built-in sheet to practice and explore Excel features easily. Method 1. Using the sum function. First, we will use Excel sum function, which is very simple and powerful. Just type is equal to sum, then select the range you want to add and press enter. See, your result appear quickly. Method 2. Using the Alt plus is equal to shortcut. The second method is to use the shortcut keys which save even more time. First, select the cells by using Ctrl plus mouse and simply press shortcut Alt plus is equal to. Your total calculation is ready in just 1 second. So, which method did you find easier? Let us know in the comments. And if you are new here, don't forget to follow our page. See you in the next video with the another topic. Until then, keep practicing and become an Excel champ.